Hey guys, welcome to my unboxing and review of the Spiegel wireless charger. Now I've been looking for something that can hold my phone up and charge at the same time for a while now. And recently I found this on Instagram, and though I'm not a big fan of advertising on Instagram, I decided to go for it. As you can see, we have your manual, dust absorber, a sticker for your case, and here's your main wireless charging unit. Not too bad of a build quality. This unit comes in at about $40, which is not too bad of a price range. And for a couple more bucks, you can get the fast wireless charging adapter. I'll go ahead and link some things down below. Now, as more of these come out, they will get cheaper and cheaper, but I definitely want to get my hands on one as soon as possible. I love this idea. Makes total sense to me. And as you can tell, the magnet holds up fairly well with a bracket. Good range of motion. Now here's the cool part, the nano absorption layer. I thought this was a cool idea, but let me show you something that's not as great. A textured case, like mine, doesn't hold up that well. That's a bit of a bummer. They do provide, though, a sticker that goes on your case. It does the job well, but it looks terrible. Now, I love the look of the iPhone X without a case. I think it's one of the best designed iPhones yet. And as you can tell, it holds really well against a flat surface case or glass back. So if you don't have a flat surface case, I would highly recommend getting one. And then you have your micro USB that hooks up super easy to the back of the mount. Kinda wish it was USB-C, but hey, I got plenty of these lying around. And now to just hook up my phone and see if it charges. Perfect. And remember, if you get a QC 2.0 power supply, you'll get fast charging. And look, it doesn't fall off. I'm a pretty big fan of this design. Very minimalistic. So here we are in my car. Basically, I'm just going to take this layer off, and then we're going to mount it right here on this plastic part. Make sure to use some rubbing alcohol just to clean up that area and make sure it gets the best possible stick. I definitely love the look of this. It's way better than the ones that have the arms or brackets that hold around the iPhone. So yeah, we'll just run our cable. Make sure we plug it in right. And we're done. Phone is charging, and I have a clear view of the road. And so far, I don't regret my decision to buy this at all. Thanks for checking this video out.